And now, over to George with the Sniffle Watch.
Thanks, Jim. Well, folks, you're not going to want to forget your Kleenex at home today. That cold front is still making its way through the area, so expect some sniffles with your morning commute. Unfortunately, the PM isn't looking much better. We're going to see some afternoon allergies developing throughout the region, with about a 75% chance of sneezes. Gesundheit, as you're making your way home from work. Now, don't forget, folks, if you want to stay ahead of the sniffles, check out our Sniffle Watch app or follow us on Twitter at @SniffleWatch. Jim, back to you.